Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Ocean County in southern New Jersey, Mercer County in central New Jersey, southern Somerset County in northern New Jersey, Monmouth County in central New Jersey, Middlesex County in northern New Jersey, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:16 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near North Brunswick Township to Plainsboro Center, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, law enforcement. Several reports of trees and wires down have been received from Lehigh, Northampton, and Hunterdon counties with the passage of these storms. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include New Brunswick, Long Branch, Asbury Park, Sandy Hook, Somerset, Lakewood, Middletown, Old Bridge, Howell, East Brunswick, South Brunswick, Sayreville, North Brunswick, Marlborough, Manalapan, Ewing, Teton Falls, Holdall, Princeton, and Red Bank. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 8 and 10. Interstate 195 in New Jersey between mile markers 11 and 34. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 64 and 75. Garden State Parkway between mile markers 90 and 126. Protecting yourself from immediate threats to life and safety shall take priority. Whenever possible, as long as it does not cause greater harm, all COVID-19 protective action guidance should be followed. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey. The National Weather Service forecast for the Philadelphia metropolitan area: severe thunderstorm watch 310 in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening for portions of the listening area. Tonight, mostly